Yes, I think we are ready to start. Yes. So, hello everyone. Welcome to BCCA channel. So, yesterday we got our CMA results, CMA Inter and CMA final. And let me just tell you one thing. Team BCCA is super proud. We got fantastic results, ranks, and many success stories. So, this is a podcast series conducted by BCCA with our rankers and with the students who have inspiring successful stories. So, we're kicking off this with someone really special. Hi, Ashwini.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. So, Ashwini, our CMA final All India ranker 28. So, before we get into the main purpose of today's podcast, we will get to know her a little better. So, Ashwini, could you please introduce you to our viewers?
Sure. I'm Ashwini Ganesh, born in Pondicherry and brought up in Chennai. I live in Tamil Nadu right now. And I wrote my CMA final exams in this June 2025 and cleared it yesterday with an All India rank 28. I'm really, really happy to see the results and waiting for a great future ahead.
Thank you, thank you. So let's get started with a small chat with you so that because many of our viewers may be future rankers, future professionals. So your story will be inspiring for them. They will know because it's not just about rank or qualification, it's all about the story behind the struggles, the strategies that you use. Yes. So if you share that thing with our viewers, they will also be inspired. Okay.
Sure.
Let's get
Sure.
started.
Yes.
So, starting off, first of all, how is your feeling when you know that you got an All India rank 28?
Initially, I saw only the result that it's congratulations first. So I
Yeah.
didn't go to the merit list. When I saw congratulations that I've cleared CMA, I was very relieved that I need not touch the books again.
Wow.
Yes. And I was really happy that I cleared with good marks. Like I didn't expect this much marks. So I was really happy for that. And after a few minutes, I checked the merit list.
Okay.
So when checking the merit list, I really found out that my name was there. First, it was a shock for me first. Okay, why is my name there?
Okay.
And then I really got to know that, okay, my name, my photo and all were presented. So, okay, yeah, it's me getting an All India rank in final. So it was really a shock for me the first moment. And then I should really thank my parents. My parents were very proud of that. And that was really a surreal moment for me. I was really feeling, am I getting a rank? So that was the moment there. It's really magical. Yeah.
That's so sweet. That's so sweet. So, did you check merit list by yourself or someone just asked you that please check merit list because you scored very good?
My sister checked the merit list. It was
Oh,
not me.
okay, okay. Wow.
Yeah.
So we are very proud of you. So we're very happy. So I hope your parents are like super joyful and everything.
Yes,
So,
yes, they're very happy.
so you enjoyed yesterday? You went to a party or something?
Yeah, we went out for dinner, my
Wow.
parents. That's
Very,
how we.
very good. So can you please share your like educational background, like from where you have started? Like when did you decide that you want to go for CMA, you want to pursue this qualification all?
Okay. So I started my degree first in BCom honors. So I did my degree first, and when I was just pursuing the first year of my degree, I got to know about many professional courses like chartered accountancy course, cost and management audit, or company secretariat, or like different courses like CPA, ICCA, and things. So I found that CA and CMA are really a challenging course first of all. And I found it interesting because I like finance, basically. I
Wow.
like money. So
Hmm.
wanted to learn how to manage it far better than people around me.
Hmm.
So I wanted to do something in finance. So I chose cost accounting and I chose chartered accountancy course also. So when I was pursuing my CA, my pursuing my BCom honors degree, I was preparing for my inter simultaneously for CA and CMA Inter. So by third year, I completed CMA Inter as well as my CA Inter exams. So after that, I started pursuing my articleship for CA. So once I started starting my articleship for CA, and I was simultaneously preparing for the final exams for CA as well as CMA. So I actually wanted to do simultaneously everything. I didn't want to spend the separate time for CA and CMA because that will take a very long time for me. So I
Yes.
wanted to just give it a shot to
Mm.
it. Okay, let's try it and finish it off.
Mm.
Let's give it a shot together. Is what my thought was. Yeah, and I got a 4 months study leave from my organization, and that helped me a lot. So that was my prep time after all. Only the 4 months of prep time with all my books and all the guidance, and with the two mock tests, at least two mock tests I was planning to do, and I actually did two mock tests for all the subjects, and that helped me really. So that helped me to crack my exams in the first go. So that is how I did.
So now you're a CA and CMA
Yes, I cleared my CA exams last month, July 6th, and now my CMA exams yesterday,
today,
August 7th.
August 11th. Wow. So 2025 is your year, yes?
Yes. The
Okay.
first half is full of struggles, and the second half is really full of happiness.
So you want something which is really sweet, you have to struggle for that.
True, 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 very true.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's very, very inspiring. So you managed to crack two professional courses while you were working with a professional, you have an organization working. So you took a leave, then you completed your CA, then you completed your CMA. Yes, with just 1 month gap, right?
Yes, yes, we had exactly around 23 days. And my CA exams also got pushed by 5 days because of the war.
Mm.
Yeah, so that
Yeah.
actually that also made my days for CMA exams a little lesser.
Oh,
So yes,
that,
managed it somehow.
that's very good. That's very good. Okay, Ashwini, so we just want to know about few strategies that you will be communicating to our viewers that I will definitely make sure this should be done before I enter the examination hall because this is a professional exam. We have to be prepared. So were you just depending on some shortcut methods to qualify, or were you like fully prepared before you enter the examination hall? We just want to know.
Okay. So first I bifurcated the subjects as to where I'm weak, where I'm strong. So in my perspective, I am little strong in numbers. So I felt that CFR or IDT, DT I would be little strong in those numbers. And I'm little weaker in remembering theory subjects, like when it comes to law or audit, because how many ever times we read, we will be forgetting the next day.
Yes.
Yes, so I bifurcated the subjects like that first. And wherever I'm weaker, I didn't want to, I want to make it sure that I'm not failing in those subjects first. So I started those subjects first even though I didn't have much interest to do, but I made it sure that I'm not keeping it to the last or struggling in the last. I wanted to make myself comfortable in the subjects where I'm weak first. So I concentrated on audit and law first. And then comes business valuation. Business valuation also is little theoretical and practical
Yes.
subject.
Yeah.
So third, I came to business valuation.
Hmm.
And then I took AFM and then FR, then IDT, DT simultaneously.
So then you switch to strategic financial management,
Yes.
CFR, IDT,
Yes.
DT.
Yes.
So
DT.
first you finished theory so that you won't have that burden at the end.
But yes, true.
Okay.
First, I wanted to have an idea at least of theory, even though I won't remember it in the end of the exam, even though
Mm,
I feel like that. But
mm.
I wanted to have a certain idea of that. I took notes, I wrote notes, handwritten notes for all the theory subjects, had bulletin points for all the paragraphs and things, highlighted all the important points. And weekly once I'll be just revising them. Each chapter I'll take weekly. When I was doing for financial reporting or AFM, when I was concentrating on those, I didn't want to leave law and audit aside. So weekly once I'll just revise two chapters from each of the subject.
Yes.
So that's how I actually balanced and remembered things.
Okay. 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 Very good. So what about law and audit? So how did he help you? How did you feel about your classes and all?
Yeah, so I watched BCCA classes for law and audit, which was like really, really helpful. They made me point out what are the important keywords to be written in the exam, like how is the question and how to understand the question first, and what do they expect from you in the question, and second, how to address that question in the exam. Yeah, so it was a very step-by-step process taught by the teachers of BCCA, and I would really thank for that, especially in audit and law. Audit and law is actually not my comfortable subject, I would tell. So teachers made me comfortable in the subjects, and that credit actually goes to BCCA teachers.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes.
So, did you attend my live classes or recorded?
Recorded classes.
You,
I wanted a little flexible timing,
hmm.
so I chose recorded classes.
For Parvati ma'am's class as well, you chose recorded?
Yes,
Yeah.
recorded ones. Yes.
So you attended our writing practice session, presentation sessions.
No, I
I
didn't
think in the
actually attend.
recorded session only we were trying to present the answers with the student. So
Okay.
yeah. So how did you
So
feel about our handwritten notes?
your handwritten notes were amazing, actually. Literally, really, really, actually. When I started writing notes, I felt like okay, when I write, I'll remember. But once I write, also my handwriting was not actually that great. So
Okay.
I didn't. I was like, after I saw my handwritten notes after 2 months, I didn't even understand what I wrote for some chapters. Then I referred to your handwritten notes, and then came to know, okay, that this is what I've written. I have to connect it like this.
Hmm.
And each chapter has separate bulletin points and colorful notes. So that really, really helped me to actually get those answers strike in the exam hall. The colors would matter a lot. If it's black and white, we'll not be even able to recollect things.
Exactly, exactly. Yes, yes. That's
Those
the main
those colors.
motto of us working so hard in that. So we are also writing, we are also learning like a student, and we are writing because we know the subject, but in order to frame it in charts, write it as notes is really tricky.
Really hard actually, and to make everyone understand and do it is really, really a tough job. But those colorful notes, handwritten notes are like the game changer.
Parvati
to
ma'am's notes also you were able to.
Yes,
Yes, okay.
yes, I use both of them notes. Yes.
So we'll just check your mark sheet. So we'll see, like our viewers should know. So rankers, what are their actual marks? They don't know. So they want a rank. Some of
Okay.
the aspirants they want a rank, but they don't know what should my target be for the marks. And first of all, did you aim for a rank while you're writing the exam?
Yes, I actually gave my full effort.
Okay.
I actually gave my full effort, and I expected somewhere around 40th rank. But
Okay.
I thought after writing my exams, I felt like I will not be getting a rank. I was like, few subjects were little hard.
Okay.
Like the FR subject was little pretty hard,
CFR.
and
Yes.
CFR, yes, CFR was little hard, and I felt one more subject also was hard. I think cost and management audit. I think
You felt audit or hard?
I felt little hard because
Okay, okay.
I think I didn't prepare in the short span. Like we had only 8 hours gap for the next exam.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
really hard.
that is a very tricky part actually. So, and audit, I was not confident actually.
Because it's theory.
So it's theory, yes. And I was like, oh my God, it's audit, it's audit. And I did all my preparation well. I learned from the classes, I had handwritten notes, I did well in my mock exams. Still, I was like feeling little less confident in audit. So those two were like little tricky subjects. So I was like, I will pass for sure. I'm not expecting a rank after writing exams. That was my mindset.
Okay. So
I
you scored very well, in my opinion. Those marks are not that easy to achieve. So your highest marks were in the subject of CFR and IDT
I
because
did.
you are really strong in numbers, really strong in practical subjects. So, and yes, you were able to score 66, which paper you thought you will not, you will just pass. cost and management audit.
Or yes.
Yes. So total in group 3 was 250 and group 4 was 278.
70, yes.
Yes. So total crossed 500 for sure. 528 your total is. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I just want to know one thing. So if you said you were aiming for rank before you're writing the exam, so did you ever check a rank holder's mark sheet?
I didn't check the each subject mark sheet, but they'll post on the LinkedIn.
Hmm.
So I just gone through that. I'll just total those marks.
Okay.
It'll obviously cross around. It'll be like 480s and above.
Hmm. Yeah.
And so I just used to compare that mark with my mock test mark,
Okay.
whether I'll be able to score above 490 or 500.
Hmm.
So that was my benchmarker.
Okay.
And one of the mock tests, I actually scored above 485. Another one, I scored around like 475 or like that.
So mock test,
So
you were able to select the paper from a past exam or you were going for some outer sources?
from the past exams only.
Past exam. Okay. Okay. That,
Past exams, yes.
yes.
So I used to get my sister corrected or myself would be, I'll correct it myself. And so that is how I estimated the marks to be around 475 and above.
Okay.
Yeah, so that helped me to even think like, okay, if we write better, we can even expect a rank.
Yes, that is.
Yeah, yeah,
Qualification or rank needs hard work. So your dedicated 4 months were really important for us for, to qualify or to get a rank. So you wrote two mock test papers, you evaluated and you checked your aggregate, which is a really big thing that students must do because practice is important.
yes, true.
So and coming to the next part, you were able to revise, you are revising. So, how was that 8 days tense?
Okay, that was the 8 days is actually the most pressurizing part, I would say. The
Okay.
really, really most pressurizing. But the one positive thing is that the first one is law. Yeah, when law is kept in the middle somewhere, I would have even more struggled.
Okay.
I took 2 days to prepare for law. I mean, the revision alone. I actually allocated 2 days, 2 full days for law.
Mhm.
And then the second subject was also a theory for me.
Yes, CMAD.
CMA. Yeah, so I wanted to not leave that also. So what I did, the second last subject in my revision was cost and management audit.
Okay.
So the last 4 days is allocated only to the two subjects. Yes, and apart from that, my regular practice and mock tests were there. Apart from the 4 days.
Hmm.
Yes. So during those 8 days, what I did was I would ensure that I get at least 5.5 hours of sleep.
Okay.
Yes, 5.5 hours or 5 hours minimum. I had a mindset that more than 5.5 hours is a luxury for me this time. I should not sleep.
Of course, 8 days. We have 8 exams.
Yes, I should not sleep. So I made sure that once I come from exams, I'll take a 2 hours rest. I'll have my food, I'll take a 2 hours rest, and then I'll go back to studying. I would have marked the last day revision sums already when I was doing my preparation. Like first time when I'm revising, I'll do all the sums. Whichever sum I'm actually making more lot of mistakes and which sum has most adjustments, I would mark the sum as a last day revision or second time revision. When I'm doing the second time revision, if I had time, if in the second time revision also I'm making a mistake, then it's a short last day revision sum. Yes.
Okay.
So that is how I marked all the sums and I would revise it in the last day. And the theories also, I made my handwritten notes and teacher's handwritten notes. I will just flip it around. And I actually planned to even see what mistakes I did in the mock test, but I didn't have the time to do.
Of course, we have
Yeah,
like very few hours for our examination.
exams. Yes.
Okay.
So I didn't have time to do that before the exams in those 8 to 9 hours before the exams. So I missed out in that. So that's how I prepared in those 8 days.
So your strategy was clear before itself that first 4 days before the exams, I have to do theory because the first two papers are theory.
Yes.
So afterwards, you manage to reduce your sleep time, and while you are preparing the subject before itself, you marked which questions I will do during the exam. Yes.
Yes.
So that helped you at least cover most of the concepts or most of the modules before the examination.
True.
Okay, wonderful. So just one small question. I need a small answer for that. Were you writing the MCQs first or you were doing the descriptive first?
Okay. I focused on the MCQs first.
MCQs. So after
Yes.
you write down the whole MCQs, bubble them, were you going to the descriptive or bubbling was at the end?
Bubbling was at the end.
Bubbling was
Or
at
bubbling was at the, like, after I complete 3 or 4 theory questions, when 1 or 2 is left, when my hands are a little paining and I have to think as to what to write in the last 2 questions, then I'll start bubbling it. And I'll take a 5-minute break when
okay.
I'm bubbling it, because it'll not need much of analytical or thinking things. Just see A or B, just have to bubble it. So that was a breaker for break time for me.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Give me one more moment. Um, yes. So we almost covered everything. So, and one more thing at the end. So, what is your message to the future CMAs who are preparing for the exam, who will write their exam in December 2025 or future? So, what are few words that you want to communicate them so that they will stay intact, be inspired from their seniors who qualified?
Okay. So my message to them is, first, keep hardworking. At least 9 hours a day, 9 to 10 effective hours a day of
Yes.
study. And for 3 or 4 months, continuous study would obviously make this happen for everyone. It is not just me, not just all the 50 rank holders. For everyone who is pursuing CMA or CA exams, I would tell this: effective 9 to 10 hours of study every day for at least 3.5 to 4 months would really give you better, superb results. One. Second one, do not lose hope at all. It will make you cry every day because studying 9 to 10 hours a day is not an easy task at all.
Yes.
And so it will make you cry. It will make you think, what is this life and things. But to be honest, I'm really, really telling you the honest truth that this pain is actually worth it now. Now, when people are congratulating me, now when people are actually seeing me as a cost and management accountant, a professional person, the first CMA in my family, and the level of happiness and respect and really seeing the smile on the parents' face is really something worth it. And it is not a easy professional qualification. Your surname, your name will be prefixed with CA or CMA. It is not that easy. So it is very difficult. It is
That's
very
a
difficult, but just
yes,
go with it.
lifetime achievement that you can't just take simply, okay, I'll prepare for 1 month, I'll just go try. You will not see
Mm.
the results, of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So we'll have to be dedicated for this, very, very dedicated for this. And so much commitment is required when it comes to these professional qualifications. So just keep working hard, keep struggling every day so that you don't struggle in the future after clearing exams.
Exactly.
Yes.
Your words are
Yeah.
actually so true because without hard work, without self motivation, that even if you feel demotivated, even if you feel like, I can't do this, you have talk to yourself,
Yeah.
you have to come out, and then you have to prepare again. So your
Yes.
cakes, not only for rank, but even if you want to qualify also, hard work is very important, especially in the last 3.5 months. Your effective hours should be 8 to 9 hours. So,
Mm.
and then you should never lose hope. You have to self motivate yourself, get started with the preparation once again, and you have to be prepared. So it's not like you were searching for classes, searching for books in the last month. Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
So you
Yes.
were prepared with your sources that I have to prepare this. I should not go to a new source again.
I was prepared with that one.
Okay.
Like before the 3.5 or 4 months of study leave, I already had chosen whose books to refer, what should I do in this 4 months? I had a timetable for a weekly timetable. I had weekly timetables, weekly targets. Even though I would complete only 80 to 90% of the weekly targets, still I had targets. Because, in my case, guilt makes me read more. So if I do only 80% of the portions, I'll be like, okay, I'm missing on 20%. I have to compensate for that. So
Okay.
I would actually put more pressure on me so that I feel guilty the next day. I start studying again. But one day I completed 100% of the portions. The next day, my productivity will be zero, honestly.
So
So,
any
yep.
person that you want to dedicate the success for?
Uh,
Dedicate it to
the
yourself.
person I'm
You can dedicate.
first, I'll delegate it to myself. Second, I would actually delegate it to my parents.
Wow.
Uh, yes. So they also struggle with me for the 4 months actually, like seeing my ups and downs every day. And I'll go rant to them a day and night. This is very hard. Why are you making me study CMA? Things like that. But it was a course chosen by me. True.
But
But I'll still be like,
yes,
yeah, just to rant.
we have to put out our frustration on them. They are the only one who will listen to us. Yes.
True. Very true.
Okay.
And they'll console me, telling it's just a matter of 3.5, 4 months. You have to just put your, best 100% efforts just now. And you can't keep deferring your efforts. You can't keep, doing your efforts in installments. Don't do that. Yes, and prepare it well, 100%, and just go write your exams once. Do not do this 50%, 70%, and just go write. Let me see this attempt. Don't do that. Just give your 100% to this time, and you will be done this time. So
So any small
that is
message
all.
that you want to give to BCCA?
I would really, really say thank you. Thank you a lot. The handwritten notes, the guidance that teachers have given me have really helped me a lot in getting this good marks and this good recognition. And I would always follow the path that the teachers have given me. Very, very, very thank you. Yes.
We are also very, very proud of you because we, as BCCA, are part of your long journey and we were able to give something to you so that you are happy, you're successful. So, we are very, very, very honored to be part of your journey. So, thank you so much, Ashwini
Thank
Ganesh,
you.
All India
Thank
Rank
you, ma'am.
28. So, we have to call you Air 28 now.
Oh,
So we would
thank you.
for sure want to meet you as BCCA and we'll for sure organize that. And thank you so much for sharing this particular your strategies, your study plan with our viewers so that they can also understand what better version of themselves they can be to clear CMA, to get a rank if there's that is their goal. So that's all for the podcast. And for more such content, please do watch BCCA channel. You can subscribe, you can like, comment. Please share your results and your congratulations to Ashwini in the comments down below. Thank you, Ashwini. Thank you so much. We'll
Thank
definitely
you,
meet
ma'am.
you up once again. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.